everyone! Today I want to tell you, introducing the Central Control Multimedia System. It's trimmed with carbon fiber, which is scratch resistant and wear resistant, doesn't leave fingerprints. Make your driving more comfortable and stylish. First, let's take a look at the appearance of a central multimedia system. It's trimmed with carbon fiber. Not only beautiful and elegant, but also has a high texture. At the same time, it also uses scratch-resistant and wear-resistant materials, can effectively protect the central control screen from damage. Secondly, let's take a look at the functions of the central multimedia system. It is equipped with the latest intelligence system to easily connect mobile phone navigation, music playback, voice control, and other functions. Make your driving more convenient and comfortable. Finally, let's take a look at the characteristics of the central multimedia system. It doesn't leave fingerprints, making your center console cleaner and neater. It is also highly secure. Protect your personal privacy and data security. Overall, the Central Control Multimedia System is a very practical car part. It is not only beautiful and elegant, and it has high practicality and functionality. If you want to make your driving more comfortable and stylish, then consider this central multimedia system.